Hey guys, back to the garage. Hey, you know what would be fun? Let's fix rust above our head and get shit in our face. Wouldn't that be fun? Said no one to anyone ever. Yeah, that's what we did tonight, guys. Got this all ground out. Let me turn this fan off here. Hold on. Got this all wire wheeled out of here. This is all paint blister in here all the way along. Got the face of the tailgate prepped. All those pits did block out, so no filler work. It's ready to go. Decided against doing the whole gate in one big shot, just because of having to open and close and disturb and all this other stuff. So I'm just going to shoot the inside of the gate quick. Thought I'd bring you along for the ride. I do have the epoxy on here. Now I'm let that splash off very well. I'm actually using it as a sealer. I did get a little bit of a heavy spot right here. I'm not going to panic about it. I think by the time I have it cleared, it's going to be pretty invisible. It's one of those things where if you don't point it out, it's probably not going to be an item to worry about. So I'm not going to worry about it. This is pretty close. I need to tack it. And I've got base in the gun. I'll bring along for the ride for the whole process. So here we go. Really don't want to get too carried away tacking on this. You basically just want to make sure you have the area where you're just going to have a little bit of color and a little bit of clear. You know, this is a jam. You know, I mean, this is actually kind of a bonus, almost kind of a freebie, really. Because I didn't realize that there was any inside jam work to do, and I don't know if that's going to work there or not, but I'm going to do a little trick here, guys. Let's see if I get this to smooth out a little bit here. A little lacquer thinner on acid brush. See if I can get that to kind of pull out of there a little bit. Like I said, guys, this is not a critical thing here. I'm not happy about it, but I'm not going to panic over it either. I don't want to, wash it right off, but I do want to just kind of get rid of I'm able to get rid of the heavy spot. It's better. It's not great. It is what it is. Okay. Dry that spot with air pressure. Does it look like shit? It ain't perfect, but it's going to have to do. I didn't mix up enough flavor, so
Yeah. Might have to redo that
Alright, I'm gonna have to redo that spot. If you guys can see this or not. Oh yeah, there's a little bit. And then that's where I kind of brushed it out. I'll go ahead and finish this, and then I'll have to spot that back in later. That's not gonna fly. The rest of this looks too nice to let that go. So okay, I'll bring you back when it's time to clear, and we'll see what it looks like after clear. Okay, thanks.